Okay, lawn fans, you ready? Let's jump straight into it because we are sitting on July the 12th. What does out of regulation mean? I'm sorry guys, I just got done cutting grass and it's hot out here. But what that means is that I put out an application of PGR. And now the growing degree days has reached its max where I'm coming out of that suppression of my grass. So PGR is plant growth regulator. Right before the 4th of July, maybe a week or so before, I had somewhere to go. And I told myself, hey, look, the yard's going to get out of control. I need to put out something that's going to suppress the growth. And I did that. I put out Primo Max. I put it out at 0.40 per 1,000 square feet. 0.40 per 1,000 square feet. So it thickened the lawn up. She's looking really, really good. Got a good green pop to her. Now here's the deal. Today I got out here cutting this and I thought that I'd accidentally put this on a lower height of cut with my reel mower. And I was like, man, I just got here and scalped this damn thing. But as I was cutting and reflecting back thinking, yeah, I messed up, I realized, no, it was on the same setting that I always cut it on. It's just my grass is growing a lot quicker now. And that means it's out of regulation. Now there's an app you can go to determine your growing degree days. You can plug in when you put your PGR out, what kind of PGR you put out, and it'll calculate the temperatures and how many days that should last, and it'll actually alert you and tell you when to put that out. Me, I put it out during the prime season every 3 to 4 weeks, and that puts me at the spot right now where I need to put it out. And it makes sense because when I came back from a vacation right before the 4th, my lawn dried out bad. If some of you look back on the old video, I showed you my neighbor's lawn and my lawn and how he'd been watering his and how it looked really nice and green. Mine, the sprinkler had not been hitting over here and it looked terrible. I've been pounding this water. I'm pounding water to this yard. And along with that, I had an issue with my reel mower that I had to get fixed. I didn't realize it, but the roller was loose on one side and it was digging into the ground when I was cutting, scalping it. So human error for not properly watching what I was doing. But anyways, this is the lawn, and that's what out of regulation means. It means my PGR has said, hey, look, guy, I did my job. I'm checking out. I'm done. It's time to bring my backup in. So I will be coming out here tomorrow morning. I'll be putting out some more PGR on the lawn, and I will let it sit there. And then the next day, I'll come back and I'll cut it again. That's all I got for you, lawn fans. Bermuda Brian, out.